All right, so have you ever wondered why or what the difference is between an antiperspirant and a deodorant? Well, today I'm going to help answer that question super quick. An antiperspirant deodorant is designed for people that are experiencing excessive sweating and wants to stop it. Now, the way that works is that in an antiperspirant deodorant, they're going to use aluminum. The aluminum goes in and actually clogs or blocks your sweat ducts, and that's kind of how it works. Doesn't sound super healthy, does it? It's not. The other downside to using an antiperspirant is that you know how you get yellow stains on some of your white shirts? It's the aluminum in the antiperspirant that's actually making that happen. What I would recommend is to actually look for a naturally derived deodorant. Naturally derived deodorant like the Pedro Super Fresh Deodorant is what I would personally recommend, all right? Not only is it going to work incredibly well controlling your odor, it's also not going to be bad or damaging to your body by using it, all right? This deodorant actually is sulfate-free, paraben-free, aluminum-free, not to mention baking soda free. Basically everything bad we took out of this, because the truth is that you have to be more aware and use higher quality products if you don't want to damage potentially your body. If you're looking for the highest quality, best deodorant on the market, in my humble, not so humble opinion, we have absolutely nailed it with the Super Fresh Deodorant from Pedro. It's naturally derived, which means no aluminum, no parabens, no sulfites, no baking soda. Basically everything bad we took out. But what we left is a deodorant that not only smells incredible, it's kind of got a spearmint eucalyptus super fresh scent, which is incredible. It's not overpowering. That's one of the other downsides to using a standard deodorant or a cheap deodorant that you're going to find in a drugstore or grocery store. The scent is so harsh, it actually is going to make you smell like that, as opposed to smelling what you want to smell like, which is your signature scent or fragrance. And so what I'd recommend, guys, is invest in a higher quality deodorant. It's not only going to help you smell amazing, it's not going to be bad for your body. But if you're somebody that's yo, I'm cool clogging my sweat ducts, then proceed with the antiperspirant deodorant.